welcome to Hedgehog Hollow. We are at Creativation 2018 and I'm here in the Catherine Pooler booth and I'm thrilled to be here and she's going to tell us all about her fabulous new inks.
So we premiered inks a year ago and we began with our party collection. So we put a collection of colors together that are vibrant and saturated. So color selection is easy for everyone. If you choose all your party inks, you know they're going to go together. Then this year we are bringing out our spa collection. This just came out a couple months ago, our Paradise Found. And then in February, we have our Zen Garden colors coming out. So we have a muted, kind of toned down color palette and everything coordinates together, so it's easy. And so our inks are really amazing because they transfer ink beautifully. So they are a foam pad, and foam pads release ink really well. So just like that, 3 taps and my stamp is completely inked up. That is our Daydream color, and now I'm going to use a little bit of Skylight on the bottom. I'm going to blend a little just in between there, and just that easily I have a fully inked stamp. And when I stamp it down, because it's well inked, we're going to get a full stamped image with no splotchiness.
And we can put the light on the dark and it doesn't matter?
Ish. So if I was doing the Daydream and then I pulled my yellow in, and if I got the yellow into the Daydream a little bit, you're going to get a little bit of staining on your ink pad. So I usually just have, you know, a little paper towel and I'll, you know, kind of wipe it off. And then I have my ink refills on hand. So if I pull some ink out of my pad, I can just ink it again. But if you're going similar colors, like these are close enough that you're not really going to get much, you know, you're not going to mess up your pad too much. It's going to be good.
It's great.
Yeah, so our inks also, let's see, I don't have an ink blender for the colors that I have, but our ink stays wet for about 5 seconds, so it blends really well because you have time to kind of work with it. And then it's water reactive, it's a dye-based ink, and it has a really great, do you have watercolor samples? So Ingrid loves to do these watercolor technique pieces. So this is, yeah, reactive watercolor. You can get really cool techniques with it.
These are some of our colors.
So that's that.
Well, thank you.
You're welcome.
So we will link up Catherine's site in the description below so you can check those links out for all the fun things that we've got here, and you can see all the samples we've got behind me, and I'll add some footage in once we finish this video so you can see behind me as well in more detail. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up, and we will see you again soon at Hedgehog Hollow. Bye!
So cute.
Thanks so much for joining me at Catherine Pooler's booth. I'm going to leave you with a few more videos we took around her booth of some great new products she's got, plus a huge congratulations to Catherine on winning the Best New Exhibitor booth. Congratulations again, Catherine, and I'll see you very soon. Stay tuned for some more inspiration.